One of the things that we're doing at Heathrow is putting in a very large back office transformation. We're replacing all of the existing applications for finance, HR, asset management, and procurement with the latest Oracle Cloud SaaS platform. Of course, we've heard of the technical capabilities of companies like Infosys that have large capabilities, particularly offshore. What you may not be aware of is some of the more bespoke and business-facing transformation type capabilities. And this is really where the VRM model comes in. Their approach at being able to identify and quantify potential benefits associated with a program, that ability to model that out, systematize it, those are some key things that we've been looking for at Heathrow. Our experience of having Infosys come in, work with our team that comprises of a variety of stakeholders across SIs, the business, contractors, etc. And we've been able to work very constructively with Infosys to identify the benefits that we wanted to have for the program. The feedback has been universally positive. It's really useful to have a model like the VRM approach, because if you get in early enough, it provides an opportunity to start to define what good looks like before you even begin, and begin to craft the business case from the very beginning so you unlock the value. And we look forward to continuing with Infosys in the future.